Tom, is your Wi-Fi working?
No, it stopped again.
Mine too. I can't watch my video.
Maybe it's the router. Should we restart it?
Yes, let's try. Unplug it and wait.
Okay, plugging it back in now.
Any lights?
Just the red one.
Oh no, not the red light.
I'll call customer service.
Good idea.
They said it will be fixed in an hour.
That's not soon.
Let's play cards while we wait.
Okay, but I always win.
We'll see about that.
Tom, where's our shopping list?
I thought you had it.
No, you wrote it.
I put it on the table.
It's not there now.
Maybe it fell on the floor.
I'll check. Nope, not here.
Let's try to remember.
Bread, milk, eggs.
And Kofi.
Of course. And cookies for you.
You know me well.
I'll write it on my phone this time.
Good idea. Ready to shop?
Let's go.
Lena, look, there's a robot at our door.
Wow, it's delivering something.
Maybe my online order.
It's moving its arm. That's cute.
Should I say thank you?
Why not? Hello, robot.
It blinked.
Technology is amazing.
I'll take the package.
What is it?
My new headphones.
Lucky you. Maybe next time it brings snacks.
I hope so. Tom, I cooked too much again.
How much is too much?
Enough for a party.
Lucky me. What did you make?
Pasta and soup.
I'll help you eat it.
Bring your own bowl.
I'm on my way.
Don't eat all the pasta.
No promises.
Sharing is better than wasting.
True. I'll bring dessert next time.
Tom, look. Mrs. Brown gave us a box.
What's inside?
Homemade cookies.
They smell amazing.
She said thank you for helping her last week.
That was nice of her.
Let's write her a thank you note.
And maybe bake her a cake?
Good idea.
I'll handle the tasting.
Of course you will.
Lena, did you hear that thunder?
Yes, it's raining so hard.
I forgot my umbrella.
Me too. We're stuck inside.
The street looks like a river.
At least it's cool now.
Want some tea while we wait?
Yes, green tea, please.
The rain sounds relaxing.
Like music from nature. Tom, do you know how to play this game?
Never tried it. What's it called?
World Explorer.
Sounds fun. How do we start?
Roll the dice and collect cards.
Okay, let's try.
You go first.
6. Lucky start.
I'll catch up soon.
We'll see about that.
Tom, my phone just rang once and stopped.
Maybe a wrong number.
It said unknown.
Don't call back.
I'm curious.
It could be a scam.
You're right. I'll block it.
Good idea.
Let's play music to forget about it.
Great plan.
Tom, can you help me on Saturday?
Sure, what's up?
My friend is moving. She needs help with boxes.
I have strong arms and a car.
She'll give us pizza.
I'm in.
We start at 10.
I'll bring gloves.
Thanks, Tom.
Happy to help.
Lena, the lights just went out.
The whole cafe is dark.
Did we break something?
I only touched the sugar jar.
Maybe it's a power cut.
Everyone's phones are glowing.
My laptop died.
No work for you now.
Early break then.
Let's just talk and enjoy the quiet. Tom, look outside.
It's snowing.
The first snow of the year.
Everything looks so white.
Want to go outside?
Yes, but I need gloves.
I'll get my scarf.
Let's make a snowman.
And have hot chocolate after.
Best winter day ever.
Tom, aren't you late?
Late for what?
The team meeting.
Oh no, I thought it was at 2.
It's 1:30 now.
My calendar betrayed me.
Hurry, join online.
Okay, logging in.
Next time, set a reminder.
I will. Thanks, Lena.
Lena, I can't find my other shoe.
Did you check under the bed?
Yes, just dust.
Couch?
Nope.
Closet?
Wait, found it.
Where?
In the kitchen.
How did it get there?
No idea.
You're hopeless, Tom.
Tom, hand me the tape, please.
Here you go. What's next?
Balloons.
My lungs are ready.
Don't faint this time.
No promises.
The banner goes here.
Straight or tilted?
Straight, please.
Teamwork makes the party perfect.
Tom, did you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, Mr. Lee, my English teacher.
What was he like?
Funny but strict.
I liked my art teacher, Miss Rose.
Was she nice?
Super nice. She let us paint anything.
Teachers really help us grow.
Yes, we should thank them more.